Hi, everybody. My name is Swati Maan. I'm a dentist. There is one word that we all hear very commonly these days. It's almost a form of pandemic, and the word is stress. And unfortunately, we do not have any cure or vaccine for it. Well, stress affects our body in general, but it affects our teeth as well in a very bad way. There is something that we start to do when we are stressed, and that is grinding or clenching, very commonly known as bruxism. Let's try and understand what really happens when we grind or clench our teeth. No doubt, the nature has given us teeth for bearing the load of biting and eating, but that's it. But when we are grinding our teeth, we are releasing at least 300 to 400 times more pressure on our teeth compared to what we do while we eat our food. And when we are clenching our teeth, we are releasing nearly 3 to 4 times more pressure on our teeth compared to eating or biting. Well, I think that's too much. And of course, when the load is more, we face the consequences as well. So I'm just going to talk through that what happens to your teeth when you grind or clench your teeth. These all symptoms are gradual, but they build up quite a lot on your teeth. Number one, you start to see your teeth getting shorter, or you start to see that your teeth are getting chipped very easily. Number two, because the first reason, your teeth start to become more and more sensitive because you're losing the coating of enamel. Number three, you start to see more gum recession, of course, more sensitivity and gum recession. Number four, you start to see that when you wake up in the morning, you feel a lot of stiffness in your jaw. Your facial muscles hurt. You feel like even brushing your teeth becomes such a hard job because you can't really open your or close your mouth properly. Number five, you start to have a neck pain or a back pain. Even mostly the chiropractors, they want to investigate if their patient is grinding or clenching when they're investigating a case for a general back pain. You start to have a headache. You start to have migraines. Also, you start to have ear pain. So there's quite a lot of things that we see when we start to grind or clench our teeth. So I would say that it's very important to know if you're suffering from any of these problems, mostly when you wake up in the morning, or probably more towards the end of the day if you do it more while you're at work or exercising. And it's good to speak to your dentist and seek treatment. So now when we talk about the treatment of grinding and clenching, well, there is no direct approach to it. But the first thing that we talk about is having a mouth guard. Having a mouth guard, when you wear it while you're sleeping, it prevents your enamel from any further chipping, and of course, you restore your enamel, what you have. You can also talk to your dentist about a sleep clench inhibitor, which is an appliance which is made according to the measurement of your jaw movement, right, left, and center. So when you're having this sleep clench inhibitor and you're wearing it while you're sleeping, it prevents your jaw to squeeze against your top teeth and keeps your jaw in a centric position, which is the most relaxed position for your jaw. So gradually, it's like a habit forming, and gradually you start feeling better in terms of the jaw stiffness and the facial muscle pain, etc. If you feel that your enamel is getting really ruined by the grinding and clenching, and if your dentist has concerns about that, it's good to talk about the restorative treatments in the form of composite bonding, in the form of veneers or crowns. But it's very important that your dentist checks your bite properly because, well, if you've been grinding and clenching for a very long time, it tends to change your bite. So we cannot just have a direct approach towards putting crown veneers or composite bondings. We have to make sure that your bite is fully settled first. Practicing some relaxation therapy really helps because it improves the quality of your sleep and, of course, relaxes your muscles in general as well. If you have reached to a point where your jaw is severely affected by the grinding and clenching, you hear the clicking noise, you hear the cracking noise from your jaw, you're unable to open and close your mouth properly, you have difficulty in eating and chewing your food. In that scenario, before you do anything else, talking to a TMJ specialist, which is a temporomandibular joint specialist, will be the best idea because that needs to be settled. Your jaw requires some realignment before you can do any further treatments on your teeth or before you can use any form of mouth guard. You will be surprised to know that even children sometimes they can grind or clench their teeth, but they usually overgrow this by the age of 4 to 8 or 8 to 9. So it's nothing really to worry about that. So yeah, this was my brief explanation about grinding and clenching. If you see that you're stressed and you feel the stiffness in your jaw or your teeth, when you wake up in the morning or at the end of the day, I would suggest do take action, do see your dentist, because as I always say, sooner is better. So thank you again for watching, everyone. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks again.